Hey guys, today we are going to play a different game called, wait for it, it's loading, wait for it, come on, hurry, it's coming, okay, Demolition Derby, Crash Racing, so let's get started. As you can see, I played this a bit, but we are going to start from level 1. I used up all my gems, so sorry about that, folks. So let's see what we can do. Probably going to lose, maybe. I don't know how many people are in this. What this thing is about... No. Okay. What this is about, you have to crash people, and if you're the last ones surviving, you win. Pickups are probably the hardest, but there's always a pickup on a level, and this guy's. As you can see right here, okay, I just crashed. Ooh, he dodged me. Oh, hold him. Somebody's already dead. So there's like 3. As you can see, there's map. I'm the silver on the map, and then the rest is red. Then if you can see the shapes above the enemies, that's their like health. Like red is green is everybody starts out with green. Then brownish all the way to orange, all the way to orange is bad. Then red is like you're about to die. So. Came first, because he crashed into me. So, that's an ad, sorry about that. Okay guys, the ad is over, so, next. Start on level 2, right here. Start. This is the race. I'm not too good at races, so don't blame me. And then as you can see on the, if you look on the top corner, I believe, I don't know which way is left or which way is right, because I'm only in 4th grade. Sorry, I should know, but I don't really. I am horrible at races, so. As you can see in one of the corners, I believe it's right, there's health and then armor. I don't know what that means. Then on the other corner, this is only for races, I think. There's on lap and then position. So then there's pause button, which you can do whenever. So let's catch up with this guy. I'm doing horrible. We did not beat that, so we have to restart it. Okay, this one's our chance. Don't crash, because I am horrible at racing. Because this pickup in the way, though. Woohoo! Oh boy. They're catching up, but I can do this. I stopped this guy a bit, but crash into him. This is hard. I hate races. My dog's opening the door. I know that sounds strange, but she's like pushing it. Pickouts aren't the best at racing on this game though, but they're good at crashing. Yeah, pickup has number 4 on it, I don't know why. You have to turn him around. And then I crashed into the other dude. Came 3rd. That means I beat it. So I'm on crashing, yes. I guess we can do one more after this. That's jump. Miss. Someone's already dead. Whoa, that was like weird. Get forced back. Yes, I got him. This is so easy. Oh, wow, it's just me and another dude. I think it's upside down. Oh, boosh. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take this guy down. You ready for this? Boosh. Dang it. He got up. Thank you for the boost. Get away from this guy. Turn around and... Yes, came first.
Hurry in. Buy one, take one is back. Tonight, enjoy breadsticks.
That's a good for you. You know, you guys can just skip. It's also over. Okay, that's over. So we are on. Well, what are we going to do? Well, I guess that's. Okay, guys, tell me in the comments what you want me to do next. Bye. Oops. See ya.